Hello, today we will discuss revision as we prepare to complete our end of semester portfolios. An important thing to remember is that revision is not simply correcting grammar, punctuation, and usage. It means to re-envision your work. Think about what the essay could become. This could be a new thesis statement that accurately describes the new conclusions you have made in your research. It could include reorganizing your essay so that your ideas come across more effectively. Ultimately, revising is about finding what works for your paper so you can communicate your findings well. There are a few techniques and strategies that can help you as you revise your work. Consider reorganizing your essay. Would changing the order of the parts of your paper help you to communicate the ideas better? Could you better integrate quotes and paraphrases? Is there enough evidence to prove your point? Just remember to focus on one issue at a time. For example, you may want to look at paragraph structures in one revision and verb tenses in another. Consider global issues before tackling the local issues. This will prevent you from making minor edits more than once. Another idea is to use markers to highlight the parts of your paragraph structures. For example, if you're using pie paragraphs, this would mean one color for the point, another color for the illustration, and another color for the explanation. This will help you to identify how effective each section of your paragraph is working. You may need to add details or explanation to drive your point home, or alternatively, you may need to cut things that are unnecessary or off subject. Something that always helps is to have someone proofread your paper. This may help with editing or revision advice. Places like the Writing Center can help you develop a revision plan as well. Another important step is to read your paper out loud. This will help you see how well your paper flows and if you maintain formal language throughout. Remember to make a plan as you revise. This will help you avoid missing possible revision needs. It also helps you to process the ways in which you can improve your work before you begin. In addition, a checklist may help you cross off the individual points of your plan as you begin. An example of a checklist is the peer review worksheet you've used during peer reviews earlier in the semester. This is a very good indicator of what I am looking for as I grade your work. Also, be sure to look at my comments and corrections for past papers. Likely, you tend to make the same mistakes in every paper because you have not learned to master these issues yet. Applying my suggestions will help you to improve your work across the board. Remember, revision is a vital part of the writing process. You should attend to it with the same level of care you have every stage of this process.